My name is Angelo Milazzo, and I'm a pediatric cardiologist here at Duke. One of the things that I find very gratifying and an example of something I do that's very satisfying is that I get the opportunity to follow children from the time before they're born by taking care of their mothers prenatally and making the diagnosis of complex defects before the child is born, and establishing that relationship at that time. And then we follow those kids all the way through their birth, through their neonatal hospitalization and surgery, and then throughout childhood. So I now have several children in my practice who have been my patients basically since before they were born and are now, in elementary school or middle school in some cases, and it's extraordinarily satisfying to see these success stories. Our practice in Raleigh is unique because we're providing a very high level of expert care in a setting that's very different than from the setting of the main campus here in Durham. We've really integrated ourselves into that community, and we like the idea of keeping those children as close to home as possible and still providing the same level of expertise that they would find if they were to come to our primary location here at the health center. We have really worked over the years to provide a very high level of customer service there. We have worked to actually become part of the medical community in Raleigh. I live there and have developed really strong, close relationships with the referring providers in that community and of course with patients and their families. One of the rules in my field is that no two children are alike in any way, even children that have the same diagnosis or the same disease. There's always something unexpected, something unusual, something unique about each of the patients that we treat, and that makes it a challenge, but it also makes it a lot of fun.